Understanding cleaning fee, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase cleaning fee. This is a common term you might encounter in various scenarios, especially in the context of renting properties or services. Let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. The term cleaning fee refers to an additional charge that a service provider or property owner requires to cover the cost of cleaning. For example, when you rent a vacation home, the owner might charge a cleaning fee to ensure the property is cleaned after your stay. It's not just limited to accommodation. This fee can be applied in various other contexts like event venues or rental services. 1. Accommodation. Hotels, Airbnb, or vacation rentals often include a cleaning fee. 2. Event spaces. Venues may charge this fee to clean up after an event. 3. Rental services. Some car rental or equipment rental services add a cleaning fee. Understanding where and why this fee is applied will help you anticipate additional costs in these situations. A cleaning fee is different from a deposit. A deposit is a refundable amount paid upfront as security, which you get back if there's no damage. In contrast, a cleaning fee is a non-refundable charge specifically for cleaning purposes. It's important to know this distinction to manage your expenses effectively. I hope this explanation clears up what a cleaning fee is and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, it's a specific, usually non-refundable charge for cleaning services. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos. Keep practicing, and see you next time.